right, it is Shadows of the Galaxy release day, and I'm opening my first ever big old box of booster packs for Star Wars Unlimited. So let's see what we can get. But yeah, really excited for this new set. Did the pre-release last week and obviously got to get some of those new cards from there. My first time doing this, so I'll show you how it works. There we go. All right. I don't know if I'll have any rhyme or reason to my madness, but let's start with Mr. Boba Fett. I don't know that I'm going to talk all that much, but I'm going to record the whole shebang. So let's see what we get to start off. We get a Kylo Ren. Okay. Rogue Renegade. Forcer. All of these cards seen before. Nice commons though. Attack with 2 units. Villainous Pursuit. I think that'll be a really good card. Reprint. Another Roast Eco. I like this one. Probably put that in a Ray deck or something. Cripple Authority. Bounty Posting. Search your deck for bounty, upgrade, reveal it, and draw it. You would play the upgrade. Cool. And the first rare is the Wild Rancor. That's cool. And a Frontier Trader. There we go. So let's put rares there. We'll put foils here. And then the rest, I think we'll probably just put a stack, maybe like that. All right, now for Lando. All right, Fennec Shand is the leader in this pack, and then a Remote Village. I see a Hyperspace foil in the back of this pack. Night Owl Skirmisher, Moisture Farmer, Take Captive, little Obi-Wan action. Friendly unit captures an enemy non-leader unit. Okay, just straight up capture. Hunting Nexu, Pirate Battle Tank. Here's our Hyperspace Bounty Guild Initiate. That's cool. Hyperspace is there. Non-hyperspace version. A Wanted upgrade. I got Echo. That's cool. Aquil. Punishing One. Kylo's TIE Silencer. There's my first legendary. Let's go, dude. And then what do I got back here? We got a Lurking TIE Phantom, a Hyperspace foil. That is sick, dude. Love it. A good 1-2 punch right there. Let me get my sleeves so we get some. Let's go. Already a legendary. I'm definitely all about that. Well, I got our penny sleeves for these, but it's better than nothing. Kylo's TIE Silencer. Cool. Action. If this unit was discarded from your hand or discard or deck this phase, play it from your discard pile. Okay. So in the phase that it was defeated, it can basically come back. All right. Now for a Bo-Katan pack. Let's see, we get a Hunter Leader. Death Watch Hideout is our Hyperspace base. Nice Super Commando Squaw, that'll be good with Gar Saxon. Happy to get that one. Clan Challengers, Ruthless Assassin. Gotta damage your own unit. Discerning Veteran, I think that's a good card. Vambrace Grapple Shot, an upgrade, love to see it. Detention Block Rescue, deal 3 to a unit. If the unit is guarding any captured guards, deal 6 damage. Slaver's Freighter, Wookiee Warrior, Relentless Pursuit, Lady Proxima, Coruscant Dissident, Crosshair, very cool. Choose Sides is the rare. Choose a friendly non-leader unit and an enemy non-leader unit. Exchange control of those units. Huh? Okay. And then a foil Fen Rao. I think I have a playset of Fen Rao already now. But I will take that. A decent pack for sure. Got a crosshair. Happy about that. All right. Boba Fett. Boba Fett pack. We get a Cad Bane. I think that's the first one I pulled of him. And a Remote Village Hyperspace Base. Night Owl Skirmisher. Pike's Sentinel. Pirate Battle Tank. It's got the smuggle on it. Clan Challengers has raid 3. It's interesting. Another Ruthless Assassin. Moment of Glory. Fugitive Wookiee. 2 for a 3/3, but it's got that bounty on it. Slaver's Freighter. Wookiee Warrior. Clan Saxon Gauntlet. Nice for a Gar Saxon deck. Head Hunting. Attack with up to 3 units. They can't attack bases for those units. Each bounty hunter that attacks this way gets +2/+0 for its attack. Mercenary Gunship. A double command card. Enterprising Lackeys. When defeated, may you defeat a friendly resource. If you do, put this unit in play as a resource. 4 for a 5/5. Okay. A Protector of the Throne foil. Cool. All right, pack number 5. Let's see what we got here. We got a Finn. Not great. Cornet City. Warzone Lieutenant. Vigilant Pursuit Craft. Trandoshan Hunters. I think that's a pretty good card. Cargo Juggernaut reprint, but pretty good. Clone Deserter. Disabling Fang Fighter. Mandalorian Warrior. Fugitive Wookiee. Cartel Turncoat. It's a 1 for a 2/3, but it has a bounty of draw a card. Unexpected Escape. Exhaust a unit. May you rescue a captured guard by that unit. Okay, that's pretty good. Bravado. If you defeated an enemy unit this phase, this may cost 2 less to play. Ready a unit. There's a Lurking TIE Phantom. Vambrace Flamethrower is the rare. I think that's a pretty good upgrade. And a foil Trandoshan Hunters. That's cool. I'm all for that. I'd love to see some more hyperspace cards, though. I haven't got a lot of those so far. All right, number 6. Han Solo and Spice Mines. Kessel. Clan Ren Rescuer. Cool. Fang Fighter. Rivals Fall. A good defeat card. Clone Reckless Gunslinger. Weequay Pirate Gang. Wanted. Hotel Turncoat. Protector of the Throne. Bo-Katan. I got 2 of her now. Frozen and Carbonite is an upgrade. Privateer Crew. Let the Wookiee win. An opponent chooses 1. You ready up to 6 resources. You ready a friendly unit. If it's a Wookiee, attack with it. It gets +2 for this attack. Interesting. And an Echo foil. That's cool. I'll take it. But where are the hyperspace cards at, you know? All right, here we go. We got a hyperspace Bosk. That's cool. Death Watch Hideout. Black Sun Starfighter. Wanted Insurgents. There's that guy. Neem Outpost. Alpha. Here's a hyperspace. Kintan Intimidator. Exhaust the defender on attack. Interesting. A lot of yellow cunning cards. Spark of Hope. Another Fenral. Those got a ton of those. Punishing 1, Hyperspace. F-Mon. It's the rare. And then a foil rare. Stolen Land Speeder. If you play this unit from your hand, an opponent takes control of it. If you own this unit, play it from your discard pile for free and give an experience token to it. I'm gonna have to look at that one. I don't really get how that works. All right, here we go. Another pack. Fennec Shand Hyperspace, Deathwatch Hideout, Price on Your Head Upgrade, Bounty Village Protectors, Reckless Gunslinger, Rickety Quad Jumper, Weequay Pirate Gang, there's a Hyperspace coming up, Heroic Renegade, Criminal Muscle, nice, Protector of the Throne, Cloud Rider, Bounty Hunter's Quarry, The Client, that's a good one, Cassian, nice, like to see it, Kragan Gore, and Mandalorian Warrior, it's the foil. Okay. Let's see, can we get, definitely want to get at least one more legendary. Askanata's Castle, Outlawed Tie Vanguard. Surprise Strike, Reprint, Thug, Kintan Intimidator, Enticing Reward. Search the top 10 cards of your deck for 2 non-unit cards, reveal them, and draw them. Freetown Backup. On attack, give another friendly unit +2/+2 for this phase. Oh, that seems pretty good. Mercenary Gunship Hyperspace. Take control of this unit. Any player may use this ability. Ooh, yikes. That seems interesting, I'll be honest. Bazine Natal is the rare. Wookiee Fugitive is the foil. Boba Fett leader. I think that's the first Boba Fett I got though, so I'll take it. Guavian Antagonizer. Timely Intervention. I think this is a pretty good card. It gives the ability to do ambush. Gentle Giant. Covetous Rivals. Public Enemy. Nice bounty card. Ma Claquine. Is he from Resistance? Return a friendly non-leader underworld unit to its owner's hands if you do deal damage to a unit. Okay. Twin Pod Cloud Car. Principal Outlaw. 4/4/4/4. You may exhaust a ground unit on attack. Guild Target. Deal 2 damage to a base. A Falcon. I got a play set of those now. Enforce Loyalty. A double command. Defeat a friendly unit. If you do, draw 2 cards. Okay. The Mandalorian. Let's go. I love that. There's a legendary. With Grogu. This is the one I was hoping to get just because I love the Mandalorian. When played, you may heal all damage from a unit that costs 2 or less and give 2 shield tokens to it. So it's good with Grogu. And then a Gamorrean Retainer is the foil. Cool. Legendary number 2. Sweet. I'm happy about it. A Bosk. There you go. Wanted Insurgents. There's that guy. Outlaw Corona. Nima Outpost. Guavian Antagonizer. Foundling. It's good. Foot Patrol Wing. Gray Squadron Y-Wing. That's a new one. An opponent chooses a unit or base they control. They may deal 2 damage to it. You may deal 2 damage to it. Okay. Smuggler's Starfighter. Fell the Dragon. That's a good card. It's kind of like Takedown, except it's inversed a little bit. Dengar. He's good with the bounty deck. L3. Haven't seen this one before. Let's see. 2 for a 2/2. You may rescue a captured card. If you don't, give a shield token to this unit. Okay. I'll take it. Wrecker. Nice. You may defeat a friendly resource. If you do, deal 5 damage to a ground unit. And IG-11 is the foil. I will take that. Some good red cards coming out of this. Foil, Wrecker's the rare. Sweet. Getting close to maybe halfway-ish, let's say. Which is kind of crazy, but another Bosk. Las Canadas Castle. Las Canadas. La Corona, Pike Sentinel, Desperado Freighter. There's a Hyperspace, Reputable Hunter. Chain Code Collector. Smuggler's Aid. Criminal Muscle. Toro. That's a nice uncommon, I'll take it. Brutal Traditions, I love this card. I got one of these in the pre-release and it was big time. You kind of keep perpetually getting it from your hand. I'm looking forward to this pack. This is looking good. There's a first rare in an uncommon spot. General Arcane, it's a hyperspace. What do we got here? Chewbacca, rare, and a foil, hyperfoil, resourceful pursuers. Cool. That was a pretty good pack, I'll say that. I definitely saw the blue on the outside of Chewbacca. I thought, oh, another Mando? But no. It's fitting that I got the Mandalorian Legendary, though, because it's one of my favorite characters. Din Djarin. Hondo Anaka. Remnant Science Facility. Covetous Rivals. They got Grit. You may deal 2 damage to a unit with a bounty. Alright. Outflank, attack with 2 units. You saw that one. Gentle Giant. Moisture Farmer. I don't know if I've got one yet, but Timely Intervention. Another one of those. Principal Outlaw. Frontier Trader. Remnant Reserves. Search such 5 of your top 5 cards of your deck for up to 3 units. Reveal them and draw them. Huh. This is the way. It'll be in the starter pack, so. Concord Dawn Interceptors is the Sentinel. Defending is +2. Another Rankeen, okay. I didn't read it last time. When played on attack, choose a friendly unit. If it has Sentinel, give an experience token to it. Otherwise, it gains Sentinel for this phase. Interesting. I feel like that would be hard to build a deck around, but Outland TIE Vanguard. But it's all right. We got 2 of them at this point, so that helps, I suppose. Naka again. I feel like I'm getting a lot of repeat leaders. Warbird Stowaway, Rokea Gunship. When defeated, deal 1 damage to unit or base. Gamorrean Retainer. Covert Strength. I love this card because you can smuggle it, or you can resource it early, and then it's a nice 3-cost smuggle to heal damage and give an experience token to a big unit that you want to keep alive a little longer. Hot's Henchman. Pillage. Choose a player. They discard 2 cards from their hand. Hunter of the Haxion Brood. I think I got 2 of these on my pre-release, and it's pretty nice. At least in Gar Saxon, it worked out pretty good. Street Gang Recruiter, Frontier Trader, Chrysanthemum, nice. I think I have 2 of him now. I think I got him in the pre-release. A Jetpack Upgrade, love to see it. Salacious Crumb. Boba Fett's Armor, I got 2 of these now. And a Foil Queel. Alright, let's keep going here. This is fun. I haven't opened this many consecutive packs ever. There's a Ray, it's a little bit different. Leader. Desperado Freighter, 5 for a 5/6 in space. It's not flashy, but it's decent. Stowaway, Super Commando Squad, Gunship, Covert Strength, another one of those. I think I'll play set now. Simulating Fang Fighter, Shadows of the Galaxy version, Smuggler's Aid, Criminal Muscle, Hunter, Unlicensed Headhunter. When it's exhausted, it gains the bounty. Fennec Shand, cool. Evacuate, there's another legendary. Very nice. Fortunately, of the legendaries I've pulled, don't really have common aspects around them, but Survivor's Gauntlet is the rare, and a rare foil, a Quintinus Assault Cruiser. When this unit attacks and defeats a non-leader unit, put the defeated unit into play as a resource under your control. That's a nice rare foil. Survivor's Gauntlet, you may attach an upgrade on a unit to another eligible unit controlled by the same player. Okay, I think this one's in the starter deck. So, cool. Let's see, 3 legendaries. Can I get a 4th? Follower of the Way, Modded Cohort, Deathwatch Loyalist, Collector's Star Hopper, Clanran Rescuer, Deathmark. Attached unit gains bounty, draw 2 cards. Okay. Look the other way, exhaust unit unless its controller pays 2. No Bargain. Liberated Slaves. The Armorer, very nice. Cassian Andor, got 2 of him now. I like that. Forlom, I really want to get, wait, I think I have a Zuckuss from the pre-release. I'd love to get them 2 in a deck together. Altering the Deal, okay, I got one of these in the pre-release. And a 290 Freighter foil. I don't know, Altering the Deal is one of those that I'm like, oh, maybe that could be nice to use if you can capture a lot of cards, but otherwise it's cheap. It's only costs 1, so Gar Saxon, he was my pre-release leader. Defeat a unit, Mercenary Company, Daring Raid, deal 2 damage to a unit or base for 1. That's not bad. Moment of Glory, another Foundling, Night Owl Skirmisher. Let's get Smuggle for 5. It's 3 for a 4/3. Smuggler's Aid, Hyperspace, very cool. Rich Reward, Privateer Sick, Scanning Officer. Reveal 3 enemy resources. Defeat each resource with a smuggle keyword revealed this way. For each resource defeated this way, its controller puts the top card of the deck into play as a resource. Okay, so you don't lose them. You just lose the smuggle's ability. Embo, haven't seen this one. If the defender was defeated, heal 2 damage from a unit. Bravado. If you defeat an enemy unit this phase, if it costs 2 less. I saw that one before. The Chaos of War. I think I got one of these in the pre-release. Another double aspect card. I feel like I got a good amount of those. Rakii Gunship. Alright. Jabba the Hutt. Okay, there's a rare leader I don't have, and a hyperspace version. Choose a unit. For this phase, it gains bounty. The next unit you play this phase costs 1 less. That doesn't seem that good, but I could be wrong. Mercenary Company, Hutt's Henchman, Pillage, Collector's Star Hopper, Follower of the Way, Deathwatch Loyalist, Street Gang Recruiter, Resourceful Pursuers, Chaincoat Collector. Another Scanning Officer. I feel like this playing against someone who has Scanning Officer is going to be a pain. Sonara, first time I got this 1. When this unit is exhausted, she gains bounty. Deal 5 damage to a base. She's got grit. It's enticing. 4/4/3/6 with grit. Valiant assault ship. 4/4/3/4 saboteur. On attack, the defending player controls more resources than you. This unit gains +2. Tobias Beckett. I had one of him in the pre-release. And Rashir Tree Tender. Not great, I'll be honest. What do I got left? I got, that's 6 packs still? Nice. Feels like I've opened a lot, so a few more chances at more legendaries or a showcase, potentially. Village Protectors, modded cohort, Deathmark again, Gamorrean Retainer, Cargo Juggernaut, Heroic, Renegade. Cool, love to get the hyperspaces. No Bargain, Liberated Slaves, Rich Reward. Here's a Zuckuss. That's nice. I'm happy to keep getting those. Sundari Peacekeepers, Mandalorians. Restore 2, Raid 2. 3 for 1/5. That's pretty good. Oh, I see a hyperspace foil coming up. Midnight Repairs, a double vigilance. Heal up to 8 damage from any number of units. DJ, let's go. There's a legendary. What do we got back here? Adelphi Patrol Wing. I think I got one of these in the pre-release, this hyperfoil. But let's go. That's legendary at number 4. Love it. I think this one's cool. Take control of an enemy resource. So when you smuggle him, you take control of an enemy resource. When the unit leaves play, that resource's owner takes control of it. Smuggle for 7. Very, very cool. All right. Well, I'm glad I've got... I'll do 2 stacks of those. I'm glad I got 4 legendaries. I will gladly take that. There's Lando. That's a new leader. Play a card using Smuggle. Play a card using Smuggle. It costs 2 less. Defeat a resource you own and control. Defeat a resource you own and control. That seems tough to take that, but we'll see. Nexu 4/4/4/4. Could be a 6/4 though for raid. Privateer battle tank, super commando squad. I'm really excited to try and build some decks around all these cards I'm getting here. It's really cool. Freetown backup, Concord Dawn, Cobb Vanth, a cool new rare. Search the top 10 deck for a unit that costs 2 or less and discard it. For this phase, you may play that card from your discard pile for free. Cool. And a Smuggler's Aid foil card. That one does look cool. I like that. There, Hyperspace Ray. That's cool to see. I do think I want to try and build a Ray deck at some point. Vambrace, Grapple Gun. Any of these upgrades for Mandalorian decks I'm all about. Detention Block Rescue. Order Zone Lieutenant. Fugitive Wookiee. Slaver's Freighter, Wookiee Warrior, Relentless Pursuit. I definitely got a place out of those. Dengar now, Lady Proxima. L3, another one of those. Val is my rare. She's got a bounty on her, deal 3 damage to a unit. But when defeated, give 2 experience tokens to a friendly unit. That's a very interesting combo. Pursuit, Punishing One. It's the foil. All right, we're down to 3 packs left. Let's see what can happen in the last 3. Gar Saxon, Daring Raid, Public Enemy, Discerning Veteran, Hunting Nexu, Warzone Lieutenant, Treat Tender, Look the Other Way, Privateer, Bounty Guild Initiate. If you control another Bounty Hunter unit, you may deal 2 damage to a ground unit. Okay. Armed to the Teeth. This is new. He's got Hondo on there. Attached unit gains on attack. Give another friendly unit +2/+0 for this phase. Spare the target. Return an enemy non-leader unit to its owner's hands. Collect that unit's bounties. Okay. Commission. Grief Karga on there. Top 10 cards of your deck for a bounty hunter item or transport card. Reveal it and draw it. Ruthlessness. Attach unit gains. When this unit attacks and defeats a unit, deal 2 damage to the defending player's base. Oh, that's nice. A New Hope. Return a non-leader unit that costs 6 or less to its owner's hand, then its owner may play it for free. Return a non-leader unit that costs 6 or less. Okay, so you can kind of replay the card if you want. Seems like. Oh man, we got 2 left. This is wild, dude. Hunter, Cornet City, Black Sun Starfighter, 290 Freighter, Wanted Insurgents, Nima Outpost, Adelphi Patrol, Privateer Sick, Criminal Muscle, Resourceful Pursuers, No Bargain, IG-11, cool, Zuckus, I will take it every time, a Hyperspace Mandalorian, no way, dude, Boba's Armor, and Spare the Target. Let's go. We got 2 Mandalorians? Well, now I gotta build a Mandalorian deck and a hyperspace version of it. Heck yeah, dude. I need some Grogus. Spare the Target. Let's go. Legendary number 5. That is definitely good. No showcase in this box. Cad Bane, Deathmark. Let's see. Moment of Glory, Foundling, Liberated Slaves, Rich Reward. Look the Other Way. Another Fenrau, IG-11. A New Adventure. First Light is the rare. That's a new one. And a Hyperspace Foil, Take Captive. It does look cool, though. Look at that. All right. Not bad, dude. Not bad. There's my rare from that pack. I will take that. I got 2 Mandalorians. The Hyperspace version of 1. So that's 2 Hyperspace legendaries. And yeah, some Hyperspace foils, some nice rares. Yeah, we'll have to take a look and see what we do with this. Building some decks. It'll be fun stuff.